I have this scraps, vegetables and fruits, leftovers, and it's early morning, so I prepared some food to assist the body. But here I'm going to make use of the leftover for these birds. You see, so that, and then the fruits go back to the earth, so I throw it away. For the birds to partake. And so actually I don't want them here because I want it on the other side where the birds are. Okay, let's see. The mushrooms went there. There you go. Okay. Whoa. So now it's empty. The birds, the humans, and the humans has kept the plants to assist their body.